Hi, I'm Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsports. This is a 95 Cobra R Mustang. Not a lot of these things were built. We were pretty excited to get this thing in the shop to actually tune it. Done these back in the day, and I say back in the day because this thing is 30 years old, so kind of crazy to think about this SN95 Mustang is that old already. So we ran this thing in the dyno first, got a little bit of a baseline. We noticed immediately this thing was pretty much out of, actually it was out of mass air meter. So it was the first thing we had to do is, let's call Pro-M, let's get a new mass air meter. Bolted that on. Come to find out after we bolted the meter on, we got a little higher in the RPM, fuel pressure started falling off. So being 30 years old, I would expect the fuel pump to be a little degraded. Not this bad, but it did need one. So we put a new fuel pump in it. We ran the car, and this thing made some pretty good power. 274, almost 275 to the wheels. Pretty impressive considering this is 30 years old. You know, had this been just a regular 302 Mustang, it probably would have been in the 200 even horsepower. So pretty big bump considering it's a 351 in there. Really excited about this thing. So again, not a lot of these things were made. Stay tuned here. Livernois has been doing a little more, we'll call it EQ4 tuning. Watch the video, cool car. Thanks for watching our videos.